Roku reported fiscal 2023 first quarter financial results, and the stock is doing extremely well so far in 2023. So in this video, I'm going to review Roku's latest financial results and answer if it's too late to buy Roku stock or if the stock has just gone way ahead of itself so far in 2023. Looking at the stock price increase, you see from January till as of this recording, April 27, the stock is up 41.7% in the year. It was up much more than that. It was up more than 60%. So let's look at these earnings and see if it's too late to jump in here. Revenue increased by 1% in its most recent quarter to 741 million. The net loss per share jumped to $1.38 from 19 cents last year. So not very good numbers to begin with here. However, active accounts did increase to 71.6 million. This was up 17% from 61.3 million the same quarter last year and up 1.6 million from the previous quarter. Interestingly, Roku's management has been one of the few companies that's decided to not raise prices, right? Inflation has persisted since late 2021, early 2022, and Roku's management decided, you know what? We will absorb those higher costs and protect our customers from higher prices. We won't raise prices for our customers. So that's helped Roku attract more customers. However, it's hurt Roku on the bottom line. The average revenue per user of $40.67 was down 5% from the previous year. This was mostly a result of macroeconomic headwinds, including a decrease in the first quarter from advertisers. The advertising industry was down roughly 8% in the first quarter from the prior year, according to Roku management. However, streaming hours increased by 20% on the Roku platform year over year. So people are spending more time on the Roku platform, 20% more time. And that's good news for Roku because Roku makes more money through more engagement on the platform. Roku makes more money from advertisers, but Roku also makes more money from when people buy streaming services on the Roku platform. So if you buy a subscription to Netflix through the Roku platform, Roku will get a percentage of that revenue. So all in all, when you're engaging on the Roku platform more frequently, that's good news for Roku. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now. The Vice's gross profit of 3.6 million was the first positive in this segment in at least 4 quarters. I mentioned earlier that Roku was absorbing the higher cost. This was leading to gross losses in this segment for several consecutive quarters. So it's good news to see this positive for the first time in several quarters. A huge new initiative, Roku launched Roku branded TVs in March. Now they're available exclusively at Best Buy. For the longest time, Roku has been partnering with OEMs, companies like Sharp and Sony and others, LG, to have Roku platform be the default platform on TVs that other manufacturers produce. Now Roku is finally producing and manufacturing its own TVs. So that's a big strategic change launched in March. So this is something investors need to pay attention to and see how this evolves. The company's forecasting Q2 revenue of 770 million and gross profit of 335 million. If it does deliver that in Q2, that would be an increase in revenue from 764 million the same time last year, a very modest increase, and a decrease of gross profit. The company delivered gross profit of 355 million in the same quarter the prior year. So second quarter, again, more of the same. small increase in revenue and a bigger increase in losses. Um, Overall, to answer the question I posed in the beginning, is it too late to invest in Roku stock this year? I wouldn't say too late, but what I would say is I think investors can find a better entry point. I think investors are better served to wait to see how sales of Roku branded TVs go in the second quarter, to see how the ad industry evolves in the second quarter before entering into Roku stock. So I would say wait. I would put Roku on my watch list rather than buying Roku stock in the second quarter. All right, so that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you appreciated this video, I would like it if you would join the channel as a subscriber. I make a lot of videos like this one. I produce and publish several videos every day. So if you're looking for a lot of investor content, if you're looking for a lot of stock market content, I've got that for you. So I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thank you so much, and I hope I'll see you soon.